After weeks of waiting, a special grand jury began hearing evidence today in the Beaver Creek Walmart shooting incident. In August, 2 Beaver Creek police officers shot and killed John Crawford after they say he ignored their orders to put down a gun in the store, which turned out to be a BB gun. 37-year-old Angela Williams also died of a medical condition running away from the gunfire that night. Natalie Tendall begins our team coverage live with more on what will ultimately be decided this week. Natalie?
Well, the special grand jury will spend the next few days seeing all the evidence involved in the case, including the Walmart surveillance video the Attorney General is not releasing to the public. But these proceedings are very different from a regular trial.
With a strike of the gavel, one of the biggest special grand jury hearings Greene County has ever seen gets underway.
Because it's a very big decision.
9 jurors with 2 alternates are selected from a crowd of more than 30, all randomly selected residents of Greene County.
Once a year we draw a very large list from the registered voters of Greene County, and then they're put into a computer and randomly generates a list of individuals.
Those individuals are then taken into a private room where they're shown all the evidence from Special Prosecutor Mark Piepmeyer. This portion of the hearing could take 3 to 4 days. Then jurors can take as much time as they need to make an important decision.
The proceedings are very, very different. We do not have, in a grand jury situation, a technical defendant. We don't have, an adversarial process yet.
The 9 grand jurors are not deciding guilt in the case, and there are no defendants. They decide only if the charges should be filed. In this case, it's deciding whether the police officers who shot Crawford acted appropriately. Then the jurors' job are done, but they're still required to keep what they saw and heard secret.
I mean, everybody's going to come in with some sense of their own personal work and life experiences, but what we need to know is, once you've come into our courtroom for this particular proceeding, can you take all of that and set it aside and just listen to the facts and the law?
Now, since the proceedings are so secret, we will only know when they have made a decision on whether to indict. We'll keep you updated. Live in the newsroom, Natalie Tendall, 2 News, working for you.